Hey guys, what's up? Pokemon Nation here. And today I'm going to be unboxing the Echo Dot. As you can see, I got this just for another unboxing video. Alright, here we go. What's included? Alright, hold on. Alright. Right. This is what it is. Amazon Echo Dot. Comes with this. Alright, that's cool. Comes with a power cable and outlet. Please hit that like and subscribe button. I appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. Be back later with this on. Alright, peace. Alright.
Hello. Your Amazon Echo Dot is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Okay, I gotta download it. Hey Alexa, tell me a joke.
Music is coming out of the printer. I think the paper's jamming again.
Hey Alexa, tell me a joke.
Why did the scientist install a knocker on his door? He wanted to win the Nobel Prize.
And then you can like tell. You can do a bunch of stuff with Alexa. Alexa, what's the weather today?
In Omaha, it's 53 degrees with partly sunny skies. Tonight, you can look for showers, with a low of 41 degrees.
Alexa, what's your favorite color?
Infrared is super pretty.